Standard AI coding agents rely on basic file-by-file text searches. When you ask them to explore a large codebase, they ingest raw text, flooding their context windows and triggering memory failures right when you need accurate answers. Passing all that raw text back and forth creates severe lag in response times. It also burns through your API token budgets rapidly, charging you to read irrelevant boilerplate instead of extracting the actual logic. The Codebase Memory MCP fixes this by abandoning raw text searches altogether. Instead, it indexes your entire repository into a persistent structural knowledge graph. Because it operates entirely locally as a single, standalone executable, you avoid managing external Docker containers or background language runtimes. By querying this pre-computed map instead of reading files line by line, your AI agent can instantly trace massive dependencies and isolate architectural boundaries. For macOS and Linux users, installation takes exactly one bash command. Append the --UI flag to the script so you get access to the built-in interactive visualizer. On Windows, you will use a PowerShell sequence. Step 1 is downloading the script, and Step 2, this is a strict requirement, is running the unblock file command to bypass default internet execution restrictions before you run the installer. Microsoft Defender's machine learning heuristics will occasionally quarantine this unsigned executable as a false positive. To clear this safely, verify the SHA-256 digest against the official GitHub releases, then set up a manual folder exclusion in your security settings. Once the script runs, it scans your system to auto-detect any supported AI coding agents you already use. It then safely injects the required MCP configuration hooks into those specific environments. This automated setup prevents JSON formatting errors, establishing a secure communication bridge between your local machine and your AI assistant. Now, close your IDE or terminal session entirely and reopen it. This hard restart forces the AI agent to read the newly modified JSON configuration files so it can recognize the background server. Open a code repository and prompt your AI with a simple phrase like, "Index this project." The agent will translate your instruction into the correct tool call and initiate the first scan. Windows users, ensure your project path uses an uppercase drive letter. If your agent normalizes the path with a lowercase c, a casing mismatch occurs, and the background cleaner will delete your database immediately after building it. Following these startup routines ensures the Git-based background watcher locks onto your project, keeping the graph synchronized with real-time edits. To confirm the extraction was successful, check your command line output for accurate structural node and edge counts. Next, open your web browser and navigate to localhost 9749 to access the interactive 3D visualizer. The interface renders the architecture of your codebase, applying community detection algorithms to map heavily connected functional modules into clear, grouped clusters. Seeing this layout proves your codebase has been successfully ingested, giving you a highly accurate, navigable map of your project's architectural boundaries. If you are deploying this across massive monolithic enterprise repositories, you need to manage the system's resource consumption. You can apply a strict cap using the command line interface to set the memory limit. This confines the RAM budget during the intensive graph construction phase. If you want to isolate the engine's processing footprint while jumping across multiple disparate projects, you can toggle the continuous Git-based background watcher to false. Granular controls like these protect constrained hardware environments from out-of-memory operating system kills, ensuring the architecture scales safely across your hardware. Your AI coding agent is now anchored to a high-speed local knowledge graph. It can instantly execute bidirectional call graph tracing, giving you the ability to conduct impact analysis across thousands of files without reading their raw text. Try it out right now. Ask your AI agent to trace a specific core utility function to discover exactly which upstream API routes will break if you modify it. From semantic vector search to automated dead code detection, explore the remaining specialized tools available over the protocol. True AI coding efficiency relies on structural memory, not blind text search.